So, ito yung na-videohan ko dati, ma'am, no?
Oo, malabo.
Yung side mo na yan. Trending din yan, ma'am, dun sa pinost ko, eh.
Maraming viewers.
Tagal na natin ito linis, ma'am, no?
Oo nga.
December na?
Hindi, December ba yun?
Oo. December yun. January, February. Hala, March, 3 buwan na to?
Oo, kasi walang panam.
Grabe, hindi. Tsaka diba sabi ko naman sa inyo, hanggat hindi masakit, wag niyong palinisan ng palinisan, diba?
Kinukupitan ko lang yan, ma'am.
Pero hindi, nasakit na siya, hindi pa.
Nasakit din yun.
Nasakit-sakit
Kasi
na.
ano na siya, parang nagbaliko na yung kuko niya.
Ito yung dati sabi mo, hindi ka nakakatulog pag gabi, diba?
I'm excited to try this raisin juice. Oh yeah. Wow, that is sweet, but cold and refreshing. And ooh, yeah, more than just grape juice. It has that fermented raisin flavor to it. So it has that like sugary raisin flavor to it, with that cold, refreshing acidity of the grapes as well. Yeah, it's almost thick as well. We actually made a circle and we're back on Mutanebi Street, which is the book street. And there's just books
Ito na tayo sa kukumong nakatupi. Ano?
in a center of scholars and books.
Nabalik pa yan lang sa dati.
Oo, medyo umano na nga siya, eh. Diba dati tuping-tupi to? Nakatupi pa din siya pero medyo umangat-angat na siya kaunti. Hindi gaya dati.
Love the bustling action in this area. Oh, and there's the Iraqi guts. Oh, look at the size of it. It's a pillar.
Dati kasi ano siya, eh.
It's sizzling. All the aroma of that meat. Oh, I love this place already. It's busy. It's bustling. And
Ito yung ang dami kong nakuha nun. Ang lalaki.
the shop, they're huge. Like they go so far up. It's a huge pillar of meat, and the main one here, they do have chicken in the back, but the main one that people come to eat is beef. It's beef, but with a whole foot of lamb fat on the top, which just melts down and cascades down, keeping that beef hydrated, oiled, juicy, adding to the flavor of it. And as soon as that's like crispy and charred on the
laki.
outside, you can see like a waterfall of juice just cascading down that pillar of meat. And this place is buzzing. I love the atmosphere. And you look way back there. There's lots of people eating inside, but they also have a few stools out here. And I want to be as close to the column of meat as possible so I get the full sensory experience. But you have to see inside of here. I love how the gas is crispy, marinated in Iraqi spices. Then he just adds in a little bit of the cucumber, the tomato, and parsley salad, and then that lamb fat. That from that pillar of fat, these crispy pieces of lamb fat at the top, all within Iraqi samoon bread. I'm gonna bite right into the center because I want to get that meat on first bite. Oh wow, that lamb fat, that's just bursting with flavor. It's actually crispy and liquidy all at the same time. So you've got that crispy beef, which chars and caramelizes your spit. And then that fluffy samoon bread, which is like a pillow of bread that just absorbs all that fat and that oil. Oh, that's so good. It's salty, it's meaty. No wonder this place is so popular. I wanted to taste the pure flavor of the meat.
Ito yung nararamdaman ko.
Barbecue sauce to it. So this is the Iraqi way, which I call it a barbecue sauce.
Umayos na siya, ma'am.
Sana nga.
Umayos na siya.
Sour sweetness to it.
Pati yung hugis ng kuko mo.
Almost similar to a thick Worcestershire sauce. Kind of like a barbecue Worcestershire together with a really savory meat. You got a little bit of sweetness in there as well. And that
Ayoko na
crispy
ipakukot sa
lamb
iba.
fat.
Tama, daming laman. Okay na. Malambot na siya.
Almost too easily.
Kanina hindi lumulubog yung laman pag pinipress, eh.
Spinning the shawarma, slicing it off the spit from the moment they're open.
Damdam mo na yung damgaan.